Yum. Nice. Go, go, go! Go ahead, bubs. See you later. Hey, it's your girl Andrea, and today is Tuesday. We're gonna do an update on the last couple of days, fencing and fun. So here's your fun update.
Naughty girls.
It wasn't even their fault.
No, it's not their fault.
All right, so we just had cows on blacktop. This wire that is currently here is supposed to be across there, so they must have ducked under or went over in the corners. Open that corner post is what went. So then it let all of us have slack. Water pushed it off the insulators. You can see there's just junk sitting there. So Mom was making sure the fence is off because we all drove over here and we're like, oh crap. But this is why we have tame cows here, because they walked back in with me with horse feed, so thankful for cows that are easy. But the fencing has started, so yay!
On the bright side, I have a boot dryer for you. Our old one works and we got the new one, so. Woo! Yep, that's going in my boot. She's cold.
My waterproof pants aren't actually waterproof.
No, that's why you're there and not me with my legs.
Andrea, how's that going? It's going great.
There's nothing out here.
There's not very much room for water in these boots though either. Well, that was fun. That was really fun. Lexi was there to video everything, and we were just gonna get the kayaks out. I take the kayaks out in my pasture and have funsies, and then the cows were in the middle of the road. I guess they're on the blacktop. The neighbor found them, and then they figured out who they were. And then I got here and got them in a bucket of feed. Who's that? I guess if I had to pick a group of cows to get out, that'd probably be them. Or the ones at my house, because obviously they're tame. But I'd rather not have any of them get out, clearly. But, you know, happens, so. You can thank her for all the clips, because otherwise you would have gotten nothing. I would have been like, sorry, busy trying not to drown in the water. So there's no fence there. So I wait for the water to go down some more. Now it's going down a lot, because you can see it's real soupy. But, yeah. Here you go, girls. 2 pens clean. Hi, Bubs. Are you ready?
It really sucks when you're going down the road like this trying to hold your post on.
It totally looks like it's going to war. Pretty much. We're getting stocked. Ready to rock.
nice to go out and that other one pull us all off. This comes off so easy.
Yeah. It must not be connected, but I'm pulling really easy.
Pretty cool. Top the way that you're gonna have to put over the wrench.
Where's my end?
You probably got the, she's got the top, and you probably got the bottom.
Yeah, I bet.
I didn't know if it'd be one of those or it'd be.
Is that working?
You got big ones that way down. Hope is the. Oh,
Ready?
aim for you. Rejected. I got it. I can see the wire.
Then you can throw me my thing back.
Yeah, now for releasing the wire. Look for it, okay.
Is your top hook? You're tangled too. Okay. Not bad on my side. We picked the right side. But just mainly our hot wires split off, which we have them so they're hooked. The hot wire or the water comes through and it can just grab them and pull them off the rest of the wire because they're their own thing instead of being a whole stretch of fence. It's just the stretch that goes over the creek. It really wasn't bad. Not much, to be honest. Got all soggy for really not a lot besides throwing one wire across and catching the other one. So at least we picked the correct side. I feel good about our choice. But so it's windy. I don't get a lot of footage today, but we got 2 out of 3 pastures done. We need to do the pasture at my house here, which we're doing this morning because it's supposed to be 100 and some degrees. So it's 6:30 a.m. and we are going to get rolling here shortly. It's mainly just a couple areas and then just making sure it's not grounded and not having like any little things here and there. So hopefully it doesn't take too long and then we'll feed. The rest of chores and hopefully everyone survives. There's a breeze today with the heat, so that's helpful. Yesterday there was not a breeze, so yeah, it's our wires. There's 2 of them here. One of them is definitely not up right now. Full of stuff. Yeah, my brother's grabbing the post pounder, so we gotta pull some posts out and put it back in. Yum. Nice. I've been up to my belly button today so far, folks. We did it! We're done, hopefully. Gotta go treat 2 calves that aren't looking so hot. Dad's gonna go start feeding. It's starting to get hot. We done did it. It was not pretty over here, so. And my besties. So I do have a dart gun that we can use to treat anything. We're gonna use that now. So I don't have to actually like catch them because they're not like super sick to the point that I could like poke them really easy. But they are enough that with the stress, they need some help. You can hear the cough. So. Ready for it. Nice. Hey, bubs. I know. You guys will be loud in a minute. In a minute. Get him? Yep. Good job, little buddy. Go, go, go! Go ahead, bubs. See you later. Oh my gosh! Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Most of the babies are looking good. That's the one we treated on that side there. And then we treated that one. Everybody else is getting chubby, so It's pretty much done, besides the back hill and probably a little bit more fixing at that first one, but otherwise, we done did it. So it's supposed to be like 101 real field today. We have a breeze, so hopefully it won't be so bad. But fencing is done. Feeding's a little bit late, but that's all right. They'd be fine. We just only have so many hours of daylight, and got her done. They're out, they're happy. They like barely went past it. So we're gonna go do chores now, see what's up over there. Did get 3 pens clean yesterday too. So pens 1, 5, and 6. So 2, 3, 4 need to be done. But it's a lot fresher in here with fresh bedding and not a foot of rain.
Oh my goodness. It's a bull calf. Did not think it would be a little bull calf. Hello. See you later.
Yeah, I see that. Your little wife's getting dirty. So it's been a little bit busy. We are cleaning out some more pens in the barn, so I'm headed to the farm here again. And Dad, I just looked, has another pen done, so 4. He's working on pen number 5. Maybe we'll get the entire barn cleaned out today with fresh bedding, and then they're good to go. The water has gone down tremendously. For us at least, like I said, we were lucky. To the north of us did not get a lot of rain, so we just really dealt with the rain that we got coming on off of fields, filling our river that way, etc. Well, northwest Iowa, if you've seen anything, if you look up like Rock Valley, Rock Rapids, Spencer, Sioux City is now getting pretty messed up. It's really bad down there, so keep those folks in your thoughts and prayers, because it's not good. People have lost everything. There's livestock that are missing. Every time I go on Facebook, I see more posts of people missing horses or cattle or dogs, and it's so bad. So we were about as lucky as you can be for getting excessive inches upon inches upon inches of rain in a very small amount of time. We just have all of the cleanup, but fencing is at least mostly done. My brother and I are going to go do the back hill over there, I think tomorrow, and then we will let the cows at my place like back there, because they don't have grass after all the flooding. It's just, there's not much anything. So let them to that back gravel hill. There's a lot of grass. They'll be very happy back there for a while, and there's a fresh creek. Obviously it just got a bunch of moisture, but we'll do some crop scouting in the near future here too, to kind of see what things look like after being underwater. Things are, I mean, it was really hot and humid yesterday, like miserable, and it was probably a good thing because it actually helped the corn out a lot. I took a video on the corn Saturday or Sunday, so I'll go walking and take another video and see how much it's grown, because corn loves heat and humidity. But we'll see, I guess. I think he knocked that post over earlier this year. He's just piling next to it. Processor is still kind of out of commission, but it's gonna be better health overall for everyone in the barn. So yeah, at least the sun's out. Like after days of rain, the sun is like healing for the soul. Dad found himself some really dry bales, so that's reassuring. Woo! Nice and dusty. Last pen is on its way to being cleaned out. Dad's like, might as well just suck it up and do it. And then the entire barn is clean, good to go until this fall. We hadn't really planned on cleaning it out in June, but Mother Nature had another idea. So, something getting done. Better for everybody, like I said. Better air for the calves. Help some of the respiratory stuff they got going on with how the weather's been. And just make it better for everybody. So. And it's just in a pile here until it's dry enough in the field to haul out to a stockpile.
Getting closer. We just got a little bit over here, that corner, and then just the rest of that. And then we're done.
Sure what he, oh, not sure what he was doing. Just walked over and his foot's over top of his head. By the way, it's a bull calf, not a heifer. I was wrong. What a time. What a time. Last pen, we're done.
So let the battle babies out here so they can get more room and run around. Very happy. Go, girls, go! Woohoo! There you go, even more space, kiddos. Even more space. Growing. Feeding the kids. Hey, stop being distracted. Birds.
Got the bottom babies fed. The entire barn is clean. The entire barn has new bedding. All within the last couple of days, which is a really good feeling. And things are drying up. The one thing is it rained so hard half the time that a lot of the water didn't really it was not as muddy as I thought it would be, to be honest, because it came so fast and so hard and so heavy that it just ran into fields, waterways, ditches. There's a steer being reared if you're wondering what I was looking at. So yeah, it wasn't super muddy and we've had sunshine now, so it's nice and dry, which is fantastic. But as always, got any questions, let me know. I'm hoping we have just some nice dry weather for a while because we got hay to put up and all that jazz. So until next time, we'll see you then.